In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci Toolkit in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market you like: crypto, Forex, stocks, indices, whatever you normally trade. Having a clear chart open just makes it easier to see the tools as we add them. Once you're on your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout and your theme, it's usually near the center top area of the chart, next to things like timeframes and templates. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools, community scripts, and anything you've saved or favorited. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box near the top. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This search field is what you'll use to quickly find the Fibonacci toolkit instead of scrolling through a long list of tools. With the search box selected, start typing Fibonacci toolkit. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so it actually shows up. When you see Fibonacci toolkit appear in the list of results, hover over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, the toolkit will be added to your chart. You should now see the Fibonacci-related drawings or overlays appear directly on your chart, depending on how the toolkit is designed. If your chart looks cluttered, you can zoom out or adjust the time frame to get a better view. From here, you can customize the toolkit just like any other indicator on TradingView. To do that, hover over the name of the Fibonacci toolkit in the top left corner of your chart, click on the settings icon, and you'll be able to change colors, line styles, and any other options the creator has provided. Take a moment to tweak these so they match your personal preferences and are easy for you to read. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features, better performance, and additional tools, make sure you use my affiliate link in the description. It will take you directly to TradingView's sign-up page for Pro, and you can follow the prompts there to get your account set up. That's all you need to do to add the Fibonacci toolkit in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps once, adjust your settings, and you'll be ready to start incorporating Fibonacci into your analysis.